Hello, welcome to the recording for week 2 session. I'm trying using a different recording device. I'm using screen recorder this week. So any feedback would be appreciated. This week we're talking about file management, creating hierarchical folder structures, zipping and unzipping files and folders, taking screenshots. The reading assignment this week is Chapter 2 of the textbook. You have a compressing files folders, one for Windows System and one for Windows 8 System. Taking a screenshot, and then a Microsoft Office 2010 presentation. The discussion board is about file types. You can look up file types, you can answer the suggested questions, or add other information you know about file types. Don't forget it needs to be in by Thursday midnight, and don't forget to include an APA formatted reference. There are 2 assignments this week. In the first assignment, you're going to create a folder structure as specified in the assignment. You're going to, from now on, save all your files for your assignments in these created folders. You're going to take a screenshot of the folder structure and save it to week 2. Then before you submit anything, you need to do the second assignment, which is take a screenshot of the Microsoft Office components installed on your computer, and you're going to save that in the week 2 folder. You're then going to compress the week 2 folder, and that's what you will submit, and the submission area is under assignment 1. So you are only going to submit one file, and it's going to be a zipped file, and it should have 2 files inside that zip file. Now it talks about opening Windows Explorer, and so I wanted to go over this a little bit. Sometimes people don't know how to get to Windows Explorer. One way is to press the Windows key. It's the key with the window on it. It's on the left hand side by the Alt. And while you're pressing that, then press the E key. You can also type Windows Explorer in the search. So for instance, if you hit the Start menu, the search is right above it. You just type Windows Explorer there, and then once it comes up you can click on it. If you have Windows 8, you can right click in the blank area of the Start screen and then click the All Apps button and look under System for Windows Explorer. If you're using a Mac, you'll need to follow the instructions for the file structure on a Mac, and I've given you a link here that might help. We're talking about in this week taking a screenshot, and it talks about pressing the print screen button. But in the past I've had students who had difficulty getting the screenshot they wanted using the print screen. So that's why I wanted to talk a little bit about the snipping tool. In Windows 7 you can access it by going to All Programs, Accessories, Snipping Tool. In Windows 8, you can right-click on the blank area of the Start screen, click All Apps, and then look for the Snipping tool. And then if you're using a Mac, you'll need to go to Support, and here is a link. Now, I wanted to show you the Snipping tool. So when it opens, you'll have this little box, and you'll notice that all the rest is kind of whited out, and you have a cross. You can just highlight what you want or go around what you want, and once you let go of your mouse, you have your screenshot. Then you can just open Word and paste it. Now if you don't like that one, you can click New, and it'll go back and say you decide, well, I don't want that screenshot, I want something else, or maybe I want it bigger, or maybe I cut off half of it, and then you'll just get a new one. Then when you're ready to close, it will ask you if you want to save it, and since you've posted it into Word, you won't need to save it. But say you wanted an actual picture file, you could save it. And that's the snipping tool. Things to review from week 2 before you take the midterm. A shortcut is an icon on the desktop that provides a user with immediate access to a program or file. The command bar contains 5 buttons used to accomplish various tasks on the computer related to organizing and managing the contents of the open window. What to do if you're having problems? Please get in touch with me, call me, send me a text, message me, send me an email so that I can address the issue. You'll find my contact information in the faculty info. Contact academic support. If you look under the announcements, you'll see an academic support announcement which has contact information. If you're having problems with Blackboard Collaborate, you can try either one of these links. If you're having problems viewing a presentation, you might need to allow mixed content. For Internet Explorer, you're going to look for a security warning stating only secure content is displayed and you want to show all content. In Firefox, you're going to look for a shield icon and make sure you select disable protection on this page. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll want to look for a shield icon and click load unsaved script. And hopefully that will help. I've graded all the papers and assignments for week 1, and so if you go to my grades, you'll be able to see the grade you got, and I will have given you feedback. If you have any questions about those, please get in touch with me. If you didn't do very well, you can resubmit the assignment. You cannot redo the quiz. It's only can be taken once, but if you did badly on the assignment, you can make corrections and resubmit. That's all I have for this week. If you have any questions, let me know.